I hope all of you are doing well today. For today's video, I've got some data entry work from home job opportunities to share with you. The first job is with Elite Metal Services, and they're looking for a data entry clerk. For this job, you will enter and update data in company databases and systems with speed and accuracy. You will verify data for accuracy and completeness. You will maintain and organize electronic files and records. You will perform regular backups to ensure data preservation. You will assist with generating reports as needed. And you will follow data confidentiality and security protocols. Regarding the requirements for this job, you must have a high school diploma or something equivalent to that. Proven experience in a data entry or administrative role is preferred. You must have strong typing skills with attention to accuracy and speed. You must have proficiency in Microsoft Office Suite, so that would be Excel and Word, and data entry software. You must have excellent organizational and time management skills. And you must be able to work independently and meet deadlines. This is a full-time position. The next job is with Conduent, and they're looking for a data entry clerk. Regarding the primary job duties, you'll provide production services to client operations by performing administrative tasks such as data entry, document processing, and scanning. You'll be receiving documents from both electronic and hard copy form for accurate processing. You'll be processing documents by following internal processes and identifying any gaps in required information. You'll be identifying documents and their purpose to create a database of information. You'll be providing great customer service. You'll be providing training and cross-training others as needed. And you'll be performing additional duties as assigned. Regarding the requirements for this job, you must be able to type a minimum of 45 words per minute on a computer. There'll be a test required for that. You must have experience working under and meeting strict deadlines in a fast-paced, production-oriented environment. You must be at least 18 years of age and pass both a criminal background check and a drug screen. You must be detail-oriented, have good problem-solving and communication skills. You must be able to accurately interpret information and be able to follow written and verbal instructions. You must have wired internet available. There'll be a test for that as well. And you must have a high school diploma or GED. Regarding the schedule, it'll be from Monday to Friday from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. or from Monday to Friday from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. The pay rate for this job is $14 an hour. After 90 days, it'll convert to an ABC pay per performance program plus benefits. This is a full-time entry-level position. The next job is with Gainwell, and they're looking for a data entry mailroom clerk. For this job, you will accurately process confidential documents as part of a high-volume workflow. You'll complete assignments with limited supervision and escalate issues as needed. You will comply with all contract requirements, business rules, and legal regulations. You will prioritize and resolve routine issues independently, following team guidance. You contribute actively to team performance and productivity goals. And you will follow clear direction from leadership and contribute beyond general support levels. Regarding what they are looking for, they want you to have 1 to 2 years of experience in data entry, mailroom, or related administrative role. They want you to have familiarity with Microsoft Office and Word, and 10 key number pad proficiency is preferred. They want you to be able to work accurately and quickly while maintaining required speed. They want you to have strong attention to detail with capacity to interpret moderately complex documents. And they want you to be adaptable to shifting priorities and minimal supervision. Regarding the schedule, it'll be from Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits include a flexible vacation policy, a 401k employer match, comprehensive health benefits, and educational assistance. The pay range for this position is from $28,500 to $40,700 a year. The next job is with Corvell, and they're looking for a data entry supervisor. For this job, you will be responsible for directing a designated group of employees in their day-to-day operations. You will be responsible for quality of service provided. You will be responsible for managing daily service levels. This job requires regular and consistent attendance. You will be responsible for training of new employees and implementing protocols as they change and sending those changes out to the units. You may perform managerial responsibilities and manager's absence. You may perform daily, weekly, monthly reviews of various reports, invoices, logs, and expenses. You'll perform additional duties as required. You'll be responsible for writing yearly reviews for associates. And you will be responsible to working ServiceNow tickets in a timely manner. Regarding the knowledge and skills requirements, you must have solid knowledge in the FNOL, processing of WC claims from start to finish. You must have solid knowledge in liability claims. You must have exceptional skill in systems. These include CareMC, SharePoint tools, and ServiceNow. You must have excellent written and verbal communication skills. You must have a clear understanding of KPIs for claims. And you'll be expected to learn, if not already skilled, in data entry and liability. Regarding the education and experience requirements, you must have a minimum of a high school diploma or something equivalent to that. 2+ years of college is preferred. You must have 2+ years of customer service experience in a leadership role working in a call center. Experience in a management or supervisory role is a plus. You must be flexible to a flexible schedule if business need changes. And you must have solid Microsoft skills. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits include dental and vision coverage, long-term disability, a health savings account, flexible spending account options, life insurance, accident insurance, critical illness insurance, prepaid legal insurance, parking and transit FSA accounts, a 401k, a Roth 401k, and paid time off. The pay range for this job is from $16.36 to $26.31 an hour. This is a full-time position. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Just press that subscribe button below this video. That way, when I put out content in the future, you won't miss out on any of it. So please remember to subscribe. As always, I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for listening. I hope that you have a blessed, wonderful day.